To fix an Expedia virtual credit card declined issue, start by understanding the concept of virtual credit cards. These are temporary credit card numbers provided by your bank or credit card issuer for online transactions. They are used to add an extra layer of security when booking travel on websites like Expedia. The first step is to check the expiration date of your virtual credit card. If it has expired, you will need to obtain a new virtual credit card number from your bank or credit card issuer. Make sure to update the new virtual credit card information on your Expedia account to avoid any further issues. Next, verify that the virtual credit card has sufficient funds to cover the cost of your booking. If the funds are insufficient, you will need to add more money to your account or use a different payment method. It is also essential to ensure that your virtual credit card is enabled for online transactions and international transactions if you are booking travel outside of your home country. Another common issue that may cause a virtual credit card to be declined is incorrect billing information. Check that the name and address associated with your virtual credit card match the information on your Expedia account. Any discrepancies may cause the transaction to be declined. If you have checked all of the above and your virtual credit card is still being declined, contact your bank or credit card issuer to see if there are any restrictions on your account. They may be able to provide more information on why the transaction is being declined and help you resolve the issue. Finally, if none of the above steps resolve the issue, you may want to consider using a different payment method or contacting Expedia customer support for further assistance. They can help you troubleshoot the issue and provide more information on their payment policies. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the issue with your Expedia virtual credit card being declined and complete your booking successfully. Remember to always check your virtual credit card information and ensure that it is up to date to avoid any issues in the future.